Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change Roblox account or switch account on your PS4, PS5, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your PS5 first. Once you're there, you need to go ahead and open your account settings. Press the options or menu button on your controller and look for the settings or the account info tab. Then tap on log out or sign out and confirm. This will take you back to the Roblox login screen. Now sign in, enter the username and password for the Roblox account you want to use. And once you've added both accounts and you want to switch account, you can go ahead, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the home page and select switch account. Now you'll be able to switch account between the account that you have added on Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.